A 12-year-old Independence boy amazingly survives after being hit and pinned underneath a minivan.
The accident happened Monday afternoon on East 23rd Street in Independence, and KMBC 9's Diane Cho is live tonight with this story. Diane.
Those who saw the accident say they never thought the 12-year-old would ever make it out alive, and tonight they tell us that they still can't believe he's doing just fine.
12-year-old Gary Hibbs Jr. doesn't remember much about the day he got these cuts and bruises.
Well, I think the van was behind another car and it's turned out of the gas station or something because I couldn't see it.
Take a look at the surveillance video caption from a restaurant right across the street. If you look at the top of your screen here, you can see Hibbs darting across 4 lanes of traffic right here on busy East 23rd Street in Independence just before he was hit. It happened just before rush hour traffic on Monday afternoon. Moments later, you can see the front end of the minivan being lifted up. That's because Hibbs was still trapped underneath it.
Heard a big commotion, looked up, seen that there was a van on the road and went running towards it. And
David Hayes was one of several construction workers who were working in the area who rushed to his rescue.
They picked the van up off the kid and he was unconscious, so we just kind of started tending to him.
He says the driver stopped just before Hibbs was caught under the tires.
He had rolled about 3 or 4 times under the van when he got hit. Gary's
father says he knows just how lucky his son is.
Now, I know he's a tough kid, but I didn't know he was an iron kid, so just grateful for, everything and everybody that helped him.
As for Gary Jr., he says that was the first and last time he'll ever cross this busy street again.
And Gary's father tells us tonight that he can't thank everyone enough for stepping in to help his son that day and knows the situation could have been much worse without them. In Independence tonight, Diane Cho, KMBC 9 News.
Thank you, Diane. And according to the crash report, the driver told police she never saw Hibbs until it was too late. Charges are not expected to be filed against the driver.